When I was 8 years old, my mother found a lump, a tiny lump, barely even noticeable. I watched my mother undergo breast surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation, and then later a prophylactic mastectomy and reconstruction. My childhood experiences sparked my early interest in health communication. Indeed, probably the main reason why I decided to become a professor and a researcher was to give back to the medical community who saved my mom's life. Then, when I was 25, during my doctoral work, I decided to undergo genetic testing. I wanted to know if I was genetically predisposed, like my mother, like her sisters, and my great-grandmother, to develop hereditary breast cancer, ovarian cancer, pancreatic cancer, and melanoma. After testing positive for a mutation in the BRCA2 gene, I began surveillance, rotating between breast MRIs and mammograms every 6 months. But I quickly realized I was overwhelmed with uncertainty, my uncertain future, and what it would bring. Uncertainty exists when we believe aspects of our situation are ambiguous, complex, or unpredictable. And although I was experiencing uncertainty, like a good researcher, I wanted to know if others were experiencing the same things. I thought, this is great. I'll conduct research with patients who've tested positive for BRCA, but who have not been diagnosed with cancer, so then I can help them, and in the process, hopefully help myself. That was over a decade ago. In short, my entire life has been full of intentional decisions, both personal and career-wise, in order to cope with my uncertain future. There are days I worry if I will be diagnosed with cancer, yet knowing my lifetime risk is empowering, and through my research and advocacy, I get to interact with men and women who inspire me daily. I choose to embrace this part of my identity, striving to help others while continuing to challenge myself. I choose to embrace my uncertain future by following my mother's wise words. Make the best decisions you can with the information you have.